Ok, mi gente, para los que no saben cómo quitar este, to all my people, the one, if you don't know how to take this one out, the only thing you have to do is pull this part right here back. Tienes que empujar esta parte hacia atrás. Pull this one up, back, down. Oops. Okay, pull this one out here. Then you will see this part. That one was right there. When you pull this one out, this part down, this one down, then you will see all the bearings and all that. Yes, you have to play with this part, and then all the bearings came out. And after that, you have to take. You will see like this one. You will see. Okay, this one right there. You know all the bearings. I mean, all the bolts, all the bearings came right there. But first, before you take this one out, you see the little channel right there. There is a ring. The ones. Let me show. There is one somewhere over there. Okay, first you have to take the ring. The ones go around here, and then you pull with your hand. It's very easy. Take this one out. Then all the piece came out. See, it's a little crazy. It's kind of crazy right here, but there's a way to take the part off. Then you have to came here to the middle. Take when this is damaged. The only way to take this one out is you take this out, then you put, in my case, I use this peak right here, and I start hitting here, around, all the way around. Then this piece start coming down, little by little. See, there is a bearing. See, this, you can see the part right there. In this case, it's kind of looks good, the piece, but we want to change it. So I check a lot of videos at the web, and there is no info about the Jaguar 2000 X-Type 2003 to take this piece out. So that's why I'm making this video, and that way you guys know how to take this one out. See, hice mucho, busqué por la internet para ver cómo se quitaba esta pieza y no encontré. Encontré otros carros, pero no este, el Jaguar X-Type. Por eso hice este video, para que vean cómo es que se quita esta pieza. Este va ahí, como la acabo de explicar, va con este y usé este pico. Le pegué todo alrededor hasta que empezó a salir la pieza para abajo. Entonces ya sale por sí sola. La primera shaft, this is the Driveshaft. Some people call it propeller or something like that. Depends on the country. So this is the way to take this part off, and the end off over there. The ones goes over there. Okay. Thank you, my friends. Okay. Any questions? Just let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.